We detected 8,400 unusual options on Coca-Cola today, June 16. In this video, we'll analyze what these mean and also review our previous Coca-Cola video and trade that we did on June 1st, this day. If you remember and been following this channel, we made a video about whether or not Coca-Cola has fizzled out, and we analyzed those unusual options about this this consecutive 7-day of red days, and it looks like Coca-Cola did pop up from here, right? So our prediction was right. It did bottom and it did go up, and so our bullish trade was very profitable. And so again, another example of how unusual options analysis is very, very good for strategies like this. And so if you recall, it was this was the trade that we had was this that expires today. So we're actually having to close it now, and so in about less than an hour, we'll have to close the 60 strike call here. And if you look at that video again on June 1st, you'll see that these options at the 60 strike was being bought for $63, and now you could sell it from somewhere between 168 to $776, right? So if you analyze that, this was how much it was originally. And so now if we close the trade, the profit is about 109, right? And so that kind of a profit, 109, you divide it by your initial investment times 100 is your percentage profit, which is 173% here, just on trading Coca-Cola, which usually doesn't move very much. It's a consumer staple stock, but we were able to profit 173% because we caught the bottom right here on June 1st. And so today it is up 3%. You can see in just 16 days when these call options expired. And on that day, we went over these unusual options, just like today, how we can take a look at this 8,400 of them. And so the ones that are happening today are actually expiring today, June 16, 62 strike calls and puts. So what do these mean? So when we take a look at that, because it expires 0, and also because you'll see here the volume and the open interest, all very close in numbers. Same here on the call side, right? And so this is indicating that they're closing these orders now, and it makes sense because of this 0 day left, right? And so it could be a little bit slightly above in quantity, a few hundred. That doesn't matter because there could be day trades happening that could push up the volume by a little bit more. So it could be a little bit greater than the open interest. But those are not the large investor putting those trades on, right? The large investor puts on very large trades because they have better research information, sometimes maybe inside information. And so they can do trades of large quantities and be right. And so this is how we follow it. We can use different strategies. Sometimes we don't necessarily always buy the same trades they do, or we sell the same trades, not always. If you've been following this channel, sometimes the unusual options don't trade as well. And so we have different strategies on how to trade it based on unusual options activity. And so if you are interested in other stocks as well, we do have a membership. You can join. Click on our channel homepage and click the join button to learn more. We also show you how we are trading so you can learn how to trade these stocks, not necessarily always using options, but you can also use stocks as well once we analyze whether or not it is bullish or bearish. That's the key thing we're trying to figure out. And then the next step is to figure out the best trade to trade this. And so click on the join button to learn more. And if you haven't subscribed, do that. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified whenever we detect unusual options activity. And as usual, please smash that like button and helps us make more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend. Take care, everyone.